Everyone, it's First Alert meteorologist John Weatherby. Let's get you updated on the winter weather across the CSRA with winter storm warnings still in place, ice storm warnings to our west and to our southern counties. It's been a very active morning. Already, though, we've got power returned to Walnut Hill, Petersburg Station, some subdivisions on Furry's Ferry Road and Maples Ferry subdivision. Power has been restored there. However, I've got another list of 41 places where power is currently out across Richmond and Columbia counties and over into Aiken County as well. There's lots of stuff going on this afternoon, and it's all revolving around this weather that's continuing to rain on us in some areas, freezing rain and sleet in the pink. But we've got a break right now inside Bobby Jones with more of a rain falling. Let's look first for over Columbia County, from Woodlawn over to Evans, back toward Appling over here to the west, Grovetown to the south. You can see there's still some freezing precipitation, especially on 104, Washington Road coming out into the county, and along the I-20 corridor as well. Get inside Bobby Jones, and there's more rain here, though over Augusta National, Washington Road, you're seeing quite a bit of freezing precipitation there. This is all continuing to move off across the river toward North Augusta. Southern part of the county has had some of the bigger power outages, especially Southlands Westover and down toward Bushfield. Then over into the Aiken area, Edgefield County up to the north and through Aiken. This is almost all pink right now, with freezing precipitation continuing to fall. And we've seen rainfall amounts over an inch of rain in many locations and accumulating ice pushing up over a half an inch. That's very dangerous, and that's all the power outages. And see how this is continuing to flow. Here we are for the last several hours, and what's still to come. Rain farther to the south. Looks like a break in the precipitation, but there's more behind that we're going to have to keep track on as soon as we can. Watch temperatures, though, as we've gone through the morning. Greenwood's at 27, Anderson at 27. This is all ice and snow to the north. Washington now at 30, Thompson at 30, Daniel Field 33. That's where we're seeing the rain instead of the sleet and freezing rain. Bushfield is currently 32. Aiken right on the freezing number at 32. Columbia is currently at 30 degrees as well. So the cold temperatures are in place, and FutureMax keeps this cold in place. Here at the noon hour, FutureMax showing the rain that's across Augusta. See some of the brighter yellow. That's some heavier rain that's falling too, a mix of snow and sleet. By 2 o'clock, it becomes all rain over Richmond County. Columbia, most of it's rain. Now Aiken starting to see more rain, and most of the freezing precipitation a little farther to the north. By 4 o'clock in the afternoon, more freezing precipitation, especially western Columbia County. Then by 5 o'clock, anybody who might be working, gosh, that's going to be an ugly commute. Again, it's rain across I-20 through Richmond County and across the Savannah River. By 7 o'clock, kind of the same arrangement. Look at the rain across Augusta and the freezing precipitation. Even the yellow dots, that's some heavier snow or sleet that's falling in that. By 1 o'clock in the morning, things are lightening up just a bit, but still more frozen precipitation. And then first thing tomorrow morning, there comes a puff of snow, 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. That will be the final glancing blow of this entire system as it all moves out of the way. Again, winter storm warning stays in place. Ice storm warning stays in place. We'll try to be with you about every 30 minutes to keep you updated. Let's get out on the streets, though. Nick Lulli, what's going on out where you are?
Well, John, I think this tree that I'm standing next to really just shows how much different this system is than the one 2 weeks ago. It's actually completely encased in ice. Look at this. The branches actually just snap right off, and that's what's falling on power lines and causing those outages you were talking about. Now, I do have some of the latest numbers in Richmond County. Georgia Power was reporting about 21,000 customers without power. Can you believe that? That's about a quarter of all the customers in Augusta, Richmond County that have Georgia Power service that have lost power. Over in Columbia County, there are still several subdivisions without power, several thousand there. Now, they're trying to get that power back on, but as soon as they get some of those neighborhoods back on, more trees fall and other neighborhoods go off of the grid. Aiken County, we also want to give you the numbers for SCE&G customers there. About 11,000 customers there are without power. Now, those numbers are frequently changing as those hardworking crews continue to get power back on and as more trees fall on those lines. So we're going to keep you updated throughout the day right here on air. And, of course, the latest numbers we'll have always online and on your mobile device, WFXG.com, and, of course, our WFXG weather app. John, we're going to send it back to you now and tell us what's happening.
Thank you. That's an update on the Aiken numbers, up to 11,000 power outages. And, again, those numbers will fluctuate as we go through the next several hours and through the rest of the day. Again, as Nick was suggesting, follow the platforms either on your phone or mobile device, your tablet. Our website, of course, WFXG.com, has all the information, and we will continue with our updates as we're following this winter event across the CSRA right here on Fox 54. Back to regular programming.